Morning, teachers around the world. Our today's topic is about student-led conferences. So I put it in Miss Rosa's note 1, taken from Angela Watson, The Cornerstone for Teachers. What are student-led conferences? Student-led conferences are parent-teacher conferences in which the child is in charge of explaining his or her progress, reflecting on accomplishments, and setting short and long-term goals. Why should it be student-led conference? First, to show parents and students that their opinions and experiences are valued by the teacher. Second, to empower the child to take responsibility for his or her learning. To give the parent and teacher a chance to hear the student reflect on his or her progress in his or her own words. Next, reassure students that parents and teachers are there to support them, to hold students accountable for their academic and behavioral choices, to give the parent the opportunity to see the teacher and child interact, provide the teacher with insight into the parent-child relationship and home structure in a non-intimidating way, to take unnecessary pressure off the teacher by focusing on the student and his or her work samples. How does student-led conference work? First, show the student's best work. The child shows his or her parents his or her best work from the child-created portfolio. Second, explain the work sample. The child uses the sticky notes he or she attached to each work sample to help explain what he or he chose that assignment. Third, demonstrate what the student has learned. The child may demonstrate how to solve a challenging mathematics problem, demonstrate a reading strategy by reading a text, explain the writing process used by sharing the writing. And the last one, have portfolio sharing. The teacher uses the student work as a springboard for portfolio sharing. As a general rule, address questions to the students, then some follow-up questions to their parents. The ideal interaction is fluid, casual, and focused on all three parties sharing their insights in a positive way. The child typically enjoys being the center of attention, and parents appreciate being asked for their opinions. The teacher is able to step down from the responsibility of imparting negative information and judgment about the child's abilities and progress and move into the role of guiding the family towards mutually drawn conclusions through carefully selected questioning techniques, conversation, and the sharing of observations. What should we prepare for the student-led conference? Teachers need to set up a class routine in which students are regularly selecting work for their portfolios. One easy way is to have the children select their best work each week from their folders and write on a sticky note why they chose that paper. The students should keep their papers in date order. The student then practices presenting the papers to a body, to a teacher, or to him or herself. These are sample questions for student-led conference. If you want to look further towards the questions, you may pause the video for a while. You may ask students' attitude towards school, students' strengths, students' weaknesses, students' areas of confusion. You may also ask about students' homework, students' home support, and you may ask students' social development, students' goals, and even you may ask follow-up questions related to that. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel, Miss Rosa. Thank you.